Hello, yeah, and welcome back to Let's Do Python Coding, or Let's Code Python with another Codewars challenge. And yeah, this one is write a function that takes in a string of one or more words and returns the same string but with all 5 or more words reversed. Just like the name of this cutter. Strings passed in will consist of only letters and spaces. Spaces will be included only when more than one word is present. So let's look at the test cases here. Spin word, hey fellow warriors, returns hey Wolfthrop. Okay. Oh, okay. So first let's do a version sentence point split, which is realist equals sentence point split. And yeah, return again join, because yeah, what we did, we have a list, because with split and yeah, the spaces, we turn a string into a list, which a few elements. So you can imagine it like the string is split at each occasion, a white space occurs, and yeah, so we have that many elements plus 1, that many white spaces are in the string. So 2 white spaces mean 3 elements, and so on. Yeah, and with join, of course in this one, with join we are putting a list back together to a string, and yeah, in between the elements he will put a white space again. Okay, but now let's define a list. It is string s, or reversed s, for s in if length s is greater than 4, else s for s in we list. Let's test it. I'm pretty sure I have a syntax error. Yeah, sentence doesn't exist because I typed it wrong. Now join. Ah, okay. A string of reversed s. Oh no, let's do it the cool way. Let's do s 2 colons minus 1. Yes, because yeah, you may watch a tutorial regarding string or list slicing, but yeah, if you type 2 colons and minus 1 in square brackets before a string, the string will return reversed. And yeah, of course, if the length is greater than 4, else just put the string in. Yeah, and the strings are joined or joined together with white spaces. Attempt, let's try attempt. Yeah, pretty easy. In sentence point split, invalid syntax. Oh, I missed a white space. Okay, seems to work. Let's cut it to 1 line. spinwords equals lambda se. Let's call it p. Now let's call it w for word. Okay, we have a sentence goes to w point split. Let's test it. Works. Works. And yeah, submit. One line, entire challenge made in one line. Yeah, here's loading because it's pretty slow. Yeah. It's pretty much, this one is pretty much the same. Yeah, this is pretty much the same. So yeah, the main difference is that I used a lambda function, but yeah, everything else is the same. Yeah, and by that, see you in the next video. Bye bye.